Welcome to my channel, and today we're diving into something truly special, a name that carries deep automotive history and a future-forward vision, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann. This isn't just another car story, this is about revival, heritage, design, and how Volkswagen is blending classic soul with modern innovation in a way that's turning heads around the world. The name Karmann immediately sparks nostalgia for car lovers. It reminds us of an era when cars weren't just machines, they were art on wheels. For 2026, Volkswagen has taken that emotional connection and rebuilt it for a new generation. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann is designed to honor its legendary past while confidently stepping into the future, and that balance is exactly what makes this car so fascinating. From the very first glance, the 2026 Karmann feels elegant, sporty, and timeless. Volkswagen's designers clearly studied the classic Karmann models and reinterpreted them with modern proportions. The body lines are smooth and flowing, not overly aggressive, but confident. There's a sense of calm sophistication in the design, combined with a subtle athletic stance that hints at performance without screaming for attention. The front fascia feels clean and futuristic, with slim LED lighting that gives the car a sharp, focused expression, while still maintaining a warm, welcoming character. The side profile is where the Karmann truly shines. The long, graceful lines reflect its coupe-inspired DNA, creating a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The roofline flows naturally into the rear, giving it a sleek silhouette that feels premium and exclusive. Volkswagen didn't overdo the design here, and that's a good thing. The Karmann doesn't chase trends, it sets its own rhythm, and that's something many modern cars struggle to achieve. At the rear, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann continues this elegant theme. The taillights are slim and connected, emphasizing width and stability. There's a refined confidence in the rear design, with just enough sporty detail to remind you that this car is meant to be driven, not just admired. Everything feels intentional, balanced, and thoughtfully crafted. Step inside the 2026 Karmann and you immediately sense that Volkswagen wanted this to feel special. This is not a typical cabin experience. The interior blends modern minimalism with subtle retro-inspired elements, creating an atmosphere that feels both advanced and emotionally engaging. The materials are high quality, with soft touch surfaces, refined stitching, and carefully chosen textures that elevate the experience beyond what you might expect. The dashboard design is clean and driver-focused. A large digital display provides all essential driving information in a clear and customizable layout, while the central infotainment screen integrates seamlessly into the dash. Volkswagen has worked hard to ensure that technology doesn't feel overwhelming here. Everything is intuitive, responsive, and designed to enhance the driving experience rather than distract from it. Comfort is a major highlight inside the Karmann. The seats are sculpted to provide excellent support, making long drives enjoyable without sacrificing style. Whether you're cruising through the city or heading out on an open highway, the cabin feels calm, quiet, and refined. Volkswagen clearly aimed to make the Karmann a car you'd want to spend real time in, not just a weekend showpiece. Technology in the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann is smart, modern, and purposeful. Advanced driver assistance systems are seamlessly integrated, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and intelligent braking support. These systems work quietly in the background, adding confidence and safety without making the car feel overly automated. It still feels like a driver's car, just a smarter one. Connectivity is another strong point. The infotainment system supports the latest smartphone integration, voice commands, and over-the-air updates, ensuring the car stays current even years after purchase. Volkswagen understands that modern drivers expect their cars to evolve with technology, and the Karmann is built with that future in mind. Now let's talk about performance, because the 2026 Karmann isn't just about looks. Volkswagen has engineered this car to deliver a smooth, engaging, and refined driving experience. While it's not designed to be an aggressive track monster, it offers confident power delivery, responsive handling, and a balanced ride that makes everyday driving genuinely enjoyable. The acceleration feels smooth and controlled, ideal for both city driving and highway cruising. The steering is precise, offering good feedback and a strong connection between the driver and the road. Suspension tuning strikes a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining stability and control at higher speeds. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann is how effortless it feels to drive. It doesn't demand attention or aggressive inputs. Instead, It encourages relaxed, confident driving, allowing you to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. This is a car designed for people who appreciate refinement, balance, and subtle performance rather than raw numbers alone. Efficiency is another key focus for the 2026 model. Volkswagen has made significant strides in optimizing fuel efficiency and emissions, making the Karmann a smart choice for drivers who care about sustainability without compromising on style or enjoyment. Whether through advanced combustion technology or electrified options depending on the market, the Karmann reflects Volkswagen's commitment to a cleaner automotive future. What truly sets the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann apart is its emotional appeal. In a market flooded with aggressive designs and overpowered vehicles, the Karmann feels refreshing. It's a reminder that cars can be elegant, meaningful, and personal. It speaks to drivers who value design, history, and thoughtful engineering over flashy gimmicks. Volkswagen has managed to create a car that appeals to both longtime fans and a new generation of drivers. For those who remember the original Karmann, this model feels like a respectful tribute. For younger audiences, it's a stylish, modern vehicle with a unique identity that stands out from the crowd. The Karmann also represents Volkswagen's confidence in its design philosophy. Instead of chasing short-term trends, the brand is investing in timeless design and long-term appeal. This approach not only strengthens the Karmann's identity but also ensures it will age gracefully, something that's increasingly rare in today's fast-moving automotive world. Driving the 2026 Karmann feels like a reminder of why people fall in love with cars in the first place. It's not about extreme speed or flashy features, it's about the feeling you get behind the wheel. The calm cabin, the smooth power delivery, the elegant design, all of it comes together to create a driving experience that feels rewarding and emotionally satisfying. As we look toward the future, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann stands as a symbol of balance. It bridges the gap between past and future, tradition and innovation, emotion and technology. It proves that automotive heritage can evolve without losing its soul, and that modern cars can still feel personal and inspiring. If you're someone who appreciates design, history, and thoughtful engineering, the 2026 Karmann is a car worth paying attention to. It's not trying to be everything for everyone, and that's exactly its strength. It knows what it is, and it embraces that identity with confidence and grace. Volkswagen has taken a bold yet respectful step with the Karmann, and the result is a car that feels honest, refined, and genuinely special. In a world where many vehicles feel interchangeable, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann stands out by being true to itself. So whether you're a longtime Volkswagen fan, a design enthusiast, or simply someone looking for a car that offers more than just transportation, the Karmann delivers something meaningful. It reminds us that cars can still tell stories, evoke emotions, and connect with us on a deeper level. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know what you think about Volkswagen bringing the Karmann name back and how you feel about its modern interpretation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.